All right, so here's my project. Got my wingtips from my Cessna 150. They're aftermarket tips. I have lost logbooks on this 1966 F model, so I don't know exactly. I just know they're not original tips. But so I went to Whelen at Oshkosh and got myself some nice lights. The guy sized them for me. I also got the rotating beacon, but that's at the hangar. Shaped these a little bit. I didn't trim out a lot. I like it to be flat to the Airstream. I've seen people carve out more here and make it kind of pitch in, but I wanted the lights to be seen in a straight line. So anyway, don't know that makes a difference, but you kind of have to disassemble these. They're very interesting. They're a couple of small screws, even got red Loctite on them, so they're quite a engineering marvel. I can't wait to them be seen. I got my labels ready to go for the logbooks, so it'd be nice if those were peelable for logbooks. And masking, they're real slick, so 600 grit sandpaper just to get the wax off and to buff them out, get them scratched up a little bit for primer coats. And I'm just gonna do it real slow. This is 600 grit right there. And just light coats and let it cure up. And still haven't figured out the full mounting, but this is where they go, just like that. I got the wrong one, of course. Always works that way. But there you go. And that's it. And then some screws there with some flat countersunk and some metal. Again, the small trim. I might try to heat it a little bit and mold it, but there it is. Okay, so first I tried to thermoform this fairing at the bottom here to tuck in real nice. And actually it started doing good with the heat gun. I was using my heat gun, but there's not a good control. And I had my gloves to keep from cooking my fingers. But now I'm gonna try my hobby shrinker for model airplane skins. So I think that's gonna control it better. And I'll get a nice, instead of getting this wave, you can see there's a little bit of a wave. I can form that out and it'll fit real nice against there. So more to come. So I have to say I'm pretty pleased with the way they came out. I probably shouldn't have primed them first, but if you look, they're just sitting on there and you can't really see a real big gap. There's a little bit, but I'm gonna put a screw here, here, and here, and then a connector so that you can take the lights off. But you can see I was able to kind of thermoform them a little bit to where they sit kind of nice. I think there might be some sort of little gasket edging material I'm gonna see if I can get and put around, and that'll just seal them up real nice. So I'm pretty happy.